Thanks for joining us today here, Erik, with AGFA. We're here with Erik Peeters with AGFA, and we know AGFA probably for years with workflow automation in the commercial space, went in and expanded into other segments of the industry, but we're here at EPS Connect 2023, and what is the main story that you want to share with attendees that are joining us here?
Well, the main story, of course, is software related. We're here not to talk about plates or CTP, but we're here to talk about ECO3 software solutions. And that means talk about extra convenience, ecology and economy, and how software can help you to reach the goals that you have set forth as a business.
That's true, and ecology and in general, the environmental impact that we have, that's a big message that AGFA has been saying for years now.
Yep.
But what's good for the environment is also good for the business too, and that's what ECO3 also helps printers accomplish, correct? Maybe explain what ECO3 is and how it benefits the printer themselves.
Well, ECO3 is actually a total solution that we offer to our customers that adds value to the business. And it consists of different products and software solutions, and they include, for example, Prestune, and Prestune really works at the ecology pillar of ECO3 by trying to reduce the total amount of waste paper that you have when you start up a job, or even make sure that you have consistent quality running through your press throughout the print run. That's just an example on how AGFA tries to work through the ecology way and help the printer gain business or increase their margin. When you take a look at the extra convenience part, then we really look at EPS and the connectivity that we have towards EPS solutions, and that's automating the whole production flow. So making sure that there is a connection between business, the ERP solution or MI solution of EPS, and at the other part, the AGFA workflow solution that consumes the data and automate the complete workflow. That's the extra convenience part.
That's a really good description of ECO3 and how it operates. And for attendees here at EPS Connect 2023, obviously they probably use some sort of software from EPS, and you've been a long-time partner of the company. And I know that you originally started with integrating Pace and Apogee, I believe, but is that expanded any, or is it deepened in terms of the connectivity that you can offer? Maybe share some insights on how you work with the EPS portfolio too.
Well, at this moment in time, we have customers up and running, indeed, with Pace that is integrated with Apogee, but also Technique. And there we are, I would say, very successful. We've got customers that can automate up to 90% of their total production, and there's nobody touching the pre-press solution, so Apogee anymore, and that's quite an accomplishment, I would say. But at the same moment in time, we try to take a look at the other solutions that EPS is also offering to its customers, and try to get an integration connection established there as well.
That's fantastic. So when it comes to the portfolio, I know you often can't share a lot in terms of the roadmap, but any kind of general trend lines that you're trying to basically weld into or weave into the software development that will help customers with what they face today?
Well, what we try to do is, again, look at what value can we offer to our customer. And one of the things that we have been focusing on a great deal, and that's, I would say, the third pillar of ECO3. You had extra convenience, ecology, but there's a third one, economy, and that's Spiral. Spiral is a brand new screening technology that actually reduces the total amount of ink. And along with that ink reduction comes a thinner ink film, and you got a massive amount of benefits linked to a reduced ink layer thickness.
And I believe Spiral is what we see behind you in a very enlarged way, correct? It's a dot pattern that you can create with the screening, correct?
That's indeed correct. So it's an AM screen, or I would say it's a hybrid screen. So you have in the highlights and the shadows, we use a minimal dot, just like Sublima. But in the midtones, we go for a spiral-shaped dot shape, and along with that comes quite some benefits like the ink reduction. And customers have confirmed they can get up to 12% of ink reduction just by using a different screen. And that has a massive impact on the margin, of course.
So we're here at EPS Connect 2023, and there's many attendees, many customers that you have here roaming the floor. Have you had any interesting conversations? Anything that surprised you so far, or that you really can relate to with everything that you do in the industry?
Yeah, yes, indeed. I think a lot of the most important conversations that we have had do rotate around that extra convenience. So integrating with the EPS solution with Apogee or Fortis, our packaging solution that we have, but also everything related to customer interfacing. And there we have web approval, so allowing customers to upload their pages, go into a review cycle, approve or reject, add comments, and everything that comes along with that. And that's quite interesting to see, that there's more interest in order to get print buyers to work the workflow instead of just the printer doing all the work. And that's interesting to see.
I think that's a trend that we see as well, and probably will continue as we go forward. So again, this has been Erik Peeters with AGPA. Thank you so much for taking the time today.
Thank you, Ryan.